Hey guys, today we will be trying some bulldog chips, some shrimp chips, some peanuts that are spicy, and chamoy pickles. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's try some peanuts. Okay. How many do you want? One.
You can pour some here.
Ooh! Oh crap. Can you go get some water, cameraman?
Go use water.
It's good. Try one. It's hot. Can you give me your water? Alright, let's try what? Chip. Let's
You got
try-
chili and one peanut.
Yeah. And let's try some shrimp.
What are you rating though?
Probably like 5 and 8. 5 because it's
An 8?
5. You want some water? Yeah, I want some water.
I want to try these.
You want to try these?
Yeah, open them up.
Yeah, let's try these.
But I want to try those with some Valentina.
I'm not. Can you open them? They're real hard. Thanks.
I want to try those too.
These are. I'm gonna try them.
Ooh,
Hi guys.
Oh, it smells. Oh.
straight shrimp in this.
Yeah. Just put. Okay. And then we're gonna try some with Valentina. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. They put some Valentina on the side.
They're made.
Oh, it's hard. They kind of taste good. Let's see.
Don't put too much now.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. All right. By itself, I rated it an 8, but with the Valentina, by itself, I rated an 8. Like
I rated
an 8, but with the Valentina, it's a 10. It's a 10, yeah. Yeah. Okay, what should we try next? Let's leave these for last. Yeah. I'm gonna try this jumbo chipotle. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. You wanna try that one? Mm-hmm. There's the one. Oh, can you open this? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna this one. Can you open this back for me?
I want some bottom.
You give me help? No.
You're going to have to jump the juice.
Yeah, you are.
I'll
Can
do
you
it.
take
I
out the
can do
juice
it.
for us?
Let me see.
Oh, there.
I got you.
Get the scissors.
I'm gonna try some more of these. These are real good.
What? In the camera.
You're going to have to jump the juice. Here.
Okay, but I can put it through.
I rate these at low. 11 out of 11.
These are good with the Valentina.
I got you guys.
We got the original ones, but there are some spicy shrimp.
All of
fish,
it? Emma, all of it?
But they didn't have them at
A
HEB.
little bit.
I need to be nothing.
Tell them where you found your stuff at. In
Oh,
HEB.
Oh, we found these stuff at HEB. Yeah.
My bad.
We wanted to try out some new stuff.
Tell them where HEB, the one in Mansfield.
The one in Mansfield. Look. This is the pickle chamoy. But these are busted. What are two of them yours? Mine is a jumbo chamoy pickle made by Rico's.
Here, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's try it now. Wait.
No, put it here. You want to slice it up?
No. Damn! Wait, damn. That's a big.
One.
That's big.
2, 3, take a bite.
And try each other's if y'all don't like it. Try each other's.
Don't drop it. I eat that house.
Wait.
Napkins.
This is good. Let me try yours.
Yeah.
This one is a bigger pickle.
Emma, you don't like it?
This one is.
One is made by Rico's and the other one is made by Chamoy Mega.
No, yeah, but that's the flavor. Them it's made by Van. What have you did? Holocaine. You did it? Wait, I haven't tried it. But yeah, this one is definitely better. Like more spicier. It's good, right? Open. No, I didn't try it. Here, I need you to do it for me. It's not done.
I don't know. I like them.
He tried this one. Try this one. Try this one. Well, let Daddy try this one. This one's not good, Dad. This one is better. Rico's is better.
I like sour pickle better.
Yeah. Can you try this one? Try this one. Here, try this one. Dad, that one's nasty.
Man, can I try one?
Yeah, try the Rico's one. That one's better.
That one's sour.
All right, what do y'all rate the chamoy mix?
I rated a 1. I don't like
Say
it.
I'm 1. Let's put this to the side. Whatever we don't like. Okay, I think it's spider.
Smell it?
May I try that?
No.
Smell it, babe?
I rate the Rico's probably
Stinks,
like.
right?
Can I try it?
I rate the Rico's.
That one's nasty.
Yeah, I rate the Rico's probably
Not
like
gonna try
a
this
7.5.
because it's zero.
Yeah.
I rate that too.
I rate this a 0.
Okay, let's try these now. Yes,
That.
I've been waiting for this one. I got it. Should we all try it, Mom? Here, you come too. No, she's not trying to. Okay. I'll just give her one.
She's shy camera.
They look like potato chips.
Yeah, they are potato chips, but they just have spice in them. Wait. Just remember.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait.
Just know how spicy Bulldog is. Don't
Okay.
forget about that.
Okay, wait. One,
But just take a little sip.
2.
You try like wait.
It tastes like chicken. It smells like chicken.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Bro, it's either this. They copy Lay's. It tastes like Lay's, right, Dad? But at the end, it doesn't.
It don't taste nothing like it.
It smells like
It smells like Bulldog.
chicken,
But like Bulldog.
but then it takes the chip, the Lay's chips taste the
Like these.
But
Taste
it
the flavor.
has a little kick to it. The spice.
has a little flavor.
Mhm.
Maybe because it's all the pickles that we ate right now, so that's
Yeah.
why we couldn't taste the first one, but the second one, let's see.
Okay, we're gonna put all into first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. Okay, what are we putting in first? Okay, wait. Let's try it with Valentina first.
Valentino.
Is it spicy, Miss Emma?
It's good with the Valentina.
Real spicy?
You wanna try one?
It tastes like regular Lay's.
Yeah. Okay, so we already know we're gonna put it at that.
What you like better?
Wait.
Out of the chips. Let me see the other back.
Half and half. It's okay. No,
What did you like better? There's no comparison because one is shrimp and it's original, and the other one is Bulldog.
I'll probably go
That
half and half
spicy.
on both.
You like both?
Yes.
Which one did you like?
Half and half. Yeah,
So
same.
you like both too?
Okay, we already know
Since I
what.
like crawfish and shrimp bowls, I go with the shrimp.
Alright, guys,
I'll go side.
hey guys, we already know what we're gonna put at last, right? You
Yeah.
only have to say it. That's pickle.
So,
I'm
now,
sorry, man.
But you're out.
You're out.
You're out.
Alright.
show them which one not to buy.
Trust me, guys, do not buy these. Only if you like. Only if you put this on anything else, you just try it for yourself. Okay.
But this one, the
That one,
Rico's,
no. Ooh, where we gonna put these at? 3.
Delicious.
Delicious. Bueno. Perfect. But these have a little spice chicken there.
This has a little
This
kick.
is like perfect. And there's nothing wrong with it, but this has like a little spicy kick.
so what you rate this?
Like
Spicy.
3. Not like I rate it a 5, but
I'm gonna give it a solid 7. 'Cause
Wait,
I like
That's an 8.
Japanese.
That's an 8.
all right. We
peanuts.
What do you mean Japanese?
so
They
what?
are Japanese. Look, Japan.
Japan. Japan.
So what y'all want to put at number?
I put this rated at a 7. I rate this one at a 9.
Okay,
Let me get another bite. Let me get another bite.
Yeah, those are good. That's good, right, Dad? So we're gonna put this in 4th place. Yes? Or
You can't really put it first or last with
No.
the peanuts.
It's 6 yeah.
and maybe
Like that peanut, that pickle over there, and this pickle, this was first, and that's terrible.
Okay, but guys, the Valentina is the best with all of them, but it's just too spicy with spicy stuff. So we're gonna put.
What's this
We
one?
only have. Oh, I'm sorry. This is in 4th, 3rd, 2nd place, and then 1st place we have the shrimp chips. So that will be it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.